Oh, God. Okay. All right, we did it. We made it to the cart. All right, we're back for another challenge night. The old Boss Pro Karting. Got a fun, fast little layout here. Let's go. Oh, boy. Okay. Oh, boy. Okay, we're getting hit everywhere. All right, good start. Good start. Okay. Fast little layout. It's got a couple joker laps. We'll see when to take them. I was really fast in warm-up. I was the fastest throughout warm-up. The first, practice heat, the winner of that race was like a 21.92. I did a 21.2. So, we are moving today, boys. I may have to take a joker immediately. If he does not take one, we're going to take one right now. Okay, we're taking one now. Because I think we're faster than him, even with my bad turning cart. So let's just try to press the advantage while we can. But I don't know, we'll see. I may be only caught up with him because he made a mistake. Yep, thanks. Okay, that's good. That's good for me. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make you take a joker to get past me. This thing does not want to turn, that's for sure. Yep, I know, bud. Thank you. Yeah, it might be a little tough to stay ahead of him. We'll see. Might be a little tough since this doesn't want to turn right very well. Oh boy, okay. I'll go into this with you. I don't give a shit. Oh boy. Okay, yep, no, I'll give it to you. Oh, okay, yep, that's fine. Sure. Yeah, push me right through there. That's cool. Yep, that's good. You know what we're going to do now? We're going to take a joker. Because these people would be crazy right now. I want them to battle. At least I need them to battle. Come on, boys, do some battling back there. Because this thing does not want to turn right. That turn is very slow for me. Oh, we keep hitting that and getting unsettled. That's a problem. Oh, what a time to slide and lose speed. He's probably got me if he still has a joker. I have a feeling, but let's find out, huh? Let's go, let's go. All right, we somehow made it back for race 2. Finished first in the other one. Let's see if we can rekindle the magic, huh? Well, here comes some sketchiness. Lots of people in here. Seventh to third on the first lap. Or no, eighth to third. No, seventh to third. Seventh. Oh, we are so wide. Oh my god, that was so wide. Didn't want to turn. Okay. This is a good time to remind you, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that little like button down there. And if you want to see more rental karting action, and maybe some other action, make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, we're definitely going to try to save the Joker for as long as possible. Because I got nobody in front of me. Ooh, we did that one really well. The tires are a little not grippy, but that's okay. It's not like horrible, I don't think, but it's definitely affecting some turns. Not that one, though. In fact, it might make that turn a little better. Oh, we made a mistake. Great. He's definitely, like, staying at the same length behind me, I think. Someone just took a Joker. Where are they? He's right there. Okay. You can take the other one if you want to pass me. There you go. We love to see it. You love to see it. Oh my gosh. Holy, that was horrendous. I lost grip. It overcorrected very badly. Okay. It's okay. Oh, 19's a fast car. Yeah, 19's the fast one. That makes sense. Oh, we messed that up. Oh boy. Okay, we're just waiting for that white flag. And then we take the last one. Yeah, because he's pulling away in the straightaways. Okay, we take it now. We take it now. Moment of truth. That I got close enough. Did I get close enough? I think probably. Let's go, let's go. Alright, well, we're back for the feature race, qualified first. Somebody's already hitting me. Brian's already hitting me. Okay, there we go. Oh, Brian. Oh, God. I'm sorry, Steve. I was getting pushed. I was getting pushed right through that turn. I am sorry. You know I did not do that on purpose. I definitely did not do that on purpose. We're just going to take one right now because I want grip for when we go through those middle parts. So we want to take one early so we can take the fast parts like when we don't have the grip. I feel like it's like slightly more, whatchamacallit, efficient. Efficient, that's the word. We have 3 joker laps this time, so obviously going to try to save one for the very last lap. And we'll try to use the other one as we need it. See how it goes. It's going to be tough. I know Steve is starting second. He's extremely talented. Really good racer. He will definitely be quick. Ain't going to make a lot of mistakes. So we need to limit our mistakes and do our best. And hopefully they battle. The longer that I can drive without anyone hassling me is great. Okay, I think Steve took one. Okay. Ugh. We're not having great grip coming out of the little triangle section. I think Steve is catching me. So if he does catch me, I mean, we just got to defend, you know? Uh-oh, someone's backwards. What cart is he in? Hopefully he's not in the fast cart. That's going to be a problem. I think he's catching me. So that's not good. But I'm pretty sure, like, I am doing that section the best. But I'm pretty sure he's catching me. So that's not good. It's really hard to tell. Really hard to tell. Oh no!
2 seconds later.
Okay, there was a small caution that worked out great for me. Usually we do single file rolling start, but I know we're getting kind of late in the night. So I think we're trying to, get through it. Especially because there is a gigantic hailstorm coming, is what people are telling me. So let's not spend any more time here than we have to. Am I right? Oh boy, we messed up horribly. I was trying to look at the board. Oh my god. I was looking at the board. I was looking at the board. Oh, we messed up. Oh boy. Okay. That was white flag for me. Let's go. Oh God. Hold on.